So you passed your real estate exam. What happens now? Well, stay tuned on here and make sure you stay till the last comment. I'm listing 6 things that you want to start doing as soon as you pass your exam. This is Lillie Hendy Dominguez coming to you from San Antonio, Texas, to help you get started as soon as you pass your exam. All right, so I'm going to review 6 points, and they are: interview and select a brokerage, either a virtual or a brick and mortar company. They're 2 different. Once you get to go to the office, the other one is online. 2, inform everyone that you know that you're a realtor. Spread the word. Don't be a secret agent. 3, take professional photos, either a body picture or a headshot, and start ordering business cards and get a digital business card. That is today. 4, brand yourself. Select colors and fonts and the main photo you want to use everywhere. 5, do the required training classes. You just passed your exam. You still need to learn a lot. 6, view homes every day. Learn your market. Okay, so once you pass your real estate exam, you're probably going to be nervous. I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do now? Well, you probably have been contacted by many, many brokerages, right? Because they all want you, well, not all. They want you to go work with them. Remember, we don't work for them, we work with them. We hang our license under a particular broker, and every broker, we do the same things, right? We work with buyers and sellers on residential property. That's how we get started. However, every broker is a little bit different. The commission split, what benefits you get, what education you get. Is it online training? Is it training in the office? Do you get to work with other realtors in the office? Or are you pretty much on your own? Real estate has changed a lot, but we're still helping buyers and sellers. And you've got to be proactive and interview several brokers to determine what it is exactly that will be the best fit for you. Do you want to walk into an office and interact with other realtors? Or are you real computer savvy, a self-learner, self-motivator, and you can get yourself to go out the business by learning the company's brokerages classes and do it on your own? So go and interview 5, 6, 7 different types of brokerages. Find out what they're what they're offering, what their split is, whether they have teams, whether they will be training you. Are you working in a team? So you've got to decide how you're going to do your business. And 1, are you going to be doing it full-time or part-time? In order to be on a team, they expect you to be a full-time realtor. And you're almost like an employee when you're on a team, and you make less money at the beginning, but you learn a lot and you are provided the leads and activities to do when you're in a team. You're being trained. So take time to interview different brokerages before just jumping on and joining one, because there are so many, and it depends on how you learn and whether you need a lot of hand-holding, or are you quite independent and you can learn on your own and just go start doing it as you are trained to do. Are you a self-learner? That really helps. Are you computer savvy? That really helps, because you'll be doing a lot of different activities. If you join a team, the majority of the activities as far as on the computer will be done for you, because they have transaction coordinators, listing assistants, and contract assistants. So there's a lot of help there. If you're going to do it on your own, be an independent realtor, then you've got to learn all those different things. So it depends on which one you're going to do. Just keep in mind, As a part-time agent, you're probably going to end up having to be an independent contractor because teams normally do want full-time realtors. Number 2, inform everyone that you know that you are now a realtor and you're available to help them with either buying a home, selling a house, or investing in real estate. So we usually say, do you need to buy, sell, or invest in real estate? I'm here to help you. However, in order to help them, there are other things that you must do, right? Not go there blindfolded, blind leading the blind. No, we can't do that. So we've got to prepare ourselves by taking all the training. So, however, start letting everybody know, online, in person. You, at this point, you don't have any business cards. So that's another thing that we're going to hit on right after this. However, you can verbally start telling everybody, we don't want to be secret agents, right? No. How is everybody going to know us? We've got to go and talk to people, have conversations every day, many, many conversations. Number 3, you've got to take a professional photo, either, a whole body picture or just a headshot, so that you can order business cards or use a digital business card. There are digital business cards applications out there for free. If you want more features, then you can pay. At the beginning, I'm saying, hey, do as much as you can for free. Most brokerages will provide you with the first 500 or 1,000 business cards. So you want to have that ready and select the best picture. Ask a lot of different people on social media if you're already on there. Give them choices and see which picture they select from those that you have taken. Okay, because we might think one is best, yet other pictures may be of that other individuals like. So we've got to see what others have an opinion. So having a professional. Now, if you can't afford to have a professional picture, today's phones take awesome pictures. Take many, many, many pictures of yourself, okay? And select one of those to get started. Don't wait. Okay, start doing business. Start getting buyers and sellers so that you can sell homes. Now, 4 is once you've got your photographs, and even before then, start thinking of how you're going to brand yourself. Research other top producing realtors and how they branded themselves, their colors, their fonts, pictures that they use, a logo, okay, a message, a slogan that they use. When you brand yourself from the beginning, then you can brand yourself across every type of media, marketing material, advertising, and people will know you by using every brand marketing everywhere. You will be spotted and you will get known, like McDonald's, Whataburger, okay, Subway, Walmart, Home Depot, okay, Microsoft, Google. They're all a brand, right? You don't have to see the name a lot of times. You just see the logo and that's what we want to do for ourselves in real estate, is brand ourselves and use the same brand everywhere. 5, do the required brokerage training classes, either in person or online. Do not skip this test, okay, this section, right? We need to learn what it's like to be out there. Get taught how to deal with buyers, with sellers, how to market, okay, advertising. There's free advertising, right? Online everywhere, social media, right? All that is free. And how to do a presentation, how to have an open house, how to door knock, how to call, okay, prospecting. Please, and how to create your business plan, how to determine what salary you want, and what does it take to make that salary? Number of calls, number of contacts, how many you need every day, all that. Well, it's a numbers game. It's not a game, but it is all about numbers. So all your training and education will help you get the business going. Please do not skip that. Don't expect, the brokerage to do everything for you. If you do, you're going to probably get terrible leads. You think they're going to give the best leads to beginners? No. They're going to give them to experienced individuals, realtors, that can close a sale. So do the training classes. Take time and do them all, even if you have some experience and you're moving from another state to whatever state you're in. I'm currently in Texas. Even though I had a license in Oregon and South Texas, I still did all the training classes. Why? Because we want to repeat, and refresh the material that we know. Learn new things. Technology is changing. Market is changing. Lending is changing. There's always changes happening. Okay. Market shifts. We want to stay on top of that. Current events. Okay. Current things matter. And finally, 6, while you're doing all this, don't forget or remember that you want to learn the market and how to do that, how I did it, and how I was recommended by my brokerage when I started. Go tour houses. Vacant homes are the easiest ones every single day. Okay, once you join the MLS board, multiple listing service, so when you join the brokerage, then you'll be able to join the local MLS board. Okay, and it's different fees for the MLS board than there is for your brokerage. So once you have access to the MLS board and you have access to a digital key on your phone so that you can open the lock boxes, some are combos. So as long as you have the combo number, combination code of the lockbox or the digital key on your phone, okay, in some areas it's called a super key, then you can start opening homes and go tour them in the neighborhoods that you're going to want to practice real estate. So vacant homes are the easiest to schedule. So why not? If you don't have anything else to do, you've done already some of your training, you've been working on all the other things to prepare your business to get going, then start touring homes and learn your neighborhood, those around you. Or you're going to do a 15-mile radius, 30-mile radius, or 15-minute radius, 30-minute radius, depending on how much you want to drive. When we start, we want to take anything and everything. And when you're learning through your classes, through the training, they'll start teaching you to what? Don't just jump in a car right away to show buyers, okay? Start learning about the buyer representation, the contract, and the fact that you want to ask lots and lots of questions. Our business of real estate is asking lots and lots of questions to find out what their motivation is. How soon they want to move. Are they pre-approved? There's so much going on in the business of real estate that you will be learning. Don't take it for granted. Always be prepared to learn. Be self-motivated. Be around other realtors, like-minded or better than you, more experienced than you, okay? Because that's how we're going to learn. You can shadow someone in some companies. And if not, hey, go seek a realtor that will allow you to shadow them and learn from them. Okay, never be so proud that you can't ask for help. That's what we're all here to do, is to help each other out, respect all other realtors, and work together. Yes, it's a competitive world. However, we have to work with other realtors in order to help our clients. Our clients are number one. That's how we get paid. So again, in review of what we just did, we reviewed about 1, interviewing and selecting your brokerage, whether a brick and mortar office or a virtual company. 2, inform everyone that you are a realtor. And you're going to get all your social media done. If you're not a social media person, start learning. It's crucial. Take professional photos, either a body or a headshot, so that you can put on your business card and all marketing. Okay, start thinking of how to brand yourself. Look at other realtors, top producing realtors, if that's what you want to work for towards, and start branding yourself. However, you don't eliminate starting to do business as you're doing all this. Some of us took us years to brand ourselves. Some never did it and just started to sell. And they're excellent salespeople. Sell, sell, sell. It's what we want to do. Because why? That's where we make money, 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 right? And that's why we're getting into it. Do the required training courses from your brokerage and even others. You're going to be required to do from your brokerage and also from your multiple listing service. They are all both going to have orientation. Okay. And lastly, start visiting vacant homes every day so that you learn the market. I say minimum 2 per day. You have more time, go look at more. Brand new homes, older homes, okay, condos, townhomes, depending on what market you're in. So these are some of the things that you need to do as soon as you pass your real estate exam. So get out and do it. Don't wait. Don't depend on anybody. Be proactive and take charge so that you can start getting buyers and sellers that you can represent and close deals. The more you go out there and do, the more people you talk to, the more relationships you will develop, and the better you will be at creating business. And if you fail, if you screw up, it's okay. Just keep doing it. We learn when we fail. It's all right to fail. In fact, it's important to fail so that we can improve and ask others for opinion that are in the business and that are top producing realtors or realtors that have been a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Depends how much you're going to want to put into your business, how much you're going to want to earn. So like, let's say you want to earn 250,000. There are calculations to help you determine how many people you got to talk to, how many hours a day, which is called lead generating. So lots and lots and lots of activities to not skip any step. Watch this again. I hope this is helping you. And you have any questions, hey, post them in the comments and I will answer any questions that you may have. And this is Lillie Henry Dominguez coming to you from San Antonio, Texas with eXp Realty. I've been in different markets in 3 different states. So I'm a little bit seasoned. However, I love to teach. I love to help and love to train. So never be afraid to ask others. And until next time, until the next video, catch you all later. See you later. And good luck and all the best in generating leads to make money with buyers and sellers.